The world of manufacturing is about to get a serious upgrade. For decades, factory robots were just giant, clumsy arms, powerful, but limited to repetitive tasks inside safety cages. That era is over. Enter humanoid robots, machines that walk on two legs, use tools, and work alongside people. Imagine a factory where humans and adaptable robots collaborate seamlessly. This isn't a distant dream, it's happening now, in 2026. We're witnessing an industrial revolution powered by physical, embodied AI. Advanced AI, sensors, and engineering have created a new kind of worker. These robots can see, understand, and interact with their environment, learning and adapting on the fly. It's more than automation. It's a partnership between human ingenuity and artificial intelligence. The implications? Safer, more efficient, and more productive factories. We'll build everything, from cars to electronics, faster, cheaper, and with higher quality. This is a game changer for global supply chains and the nature of work itself. Buckle up. We're diving into the world of humanoid robotics and how they're reshaping manufacturing. The future is here, and it's walking on two legs. When it comes to advanced humanoid robots, Atlas leads the pack. Once a research marvel, Atlas is now entering real factories under Hyundai's ownership. It's strong, agile, and smart, designed to be the ultimate blue-collar worker. Atlas mimics human abilities, sometimes even surpassing them. It can lift heavy objects, perform complex assembly, and use human tools with precision. Thanks to advanced AI, Atlas adapts to new tasks and learns from experience. It's not just following scripts, it's a true collaborator. Atlas learns from humans, simulations, and its own trial and error, getting smarter every day. Think of it as the ultimate apprentice, tireless, always improving, and focused on quality. It handles the toughest, most repetitive jobs, freeing humans for creative problem solving. Atlas inspects its own work, ensuring built-in quality control. This isn't just replacing people, it's elevating the entire manufacturing ecosystem. Humanoid robotics is set to become a $5 trillion industry by 2050. That's on par with today's largest economic sectors. The growth isn't just about selling robots, it's about the entire ecosystem, software, AI, maintenance, and components. By mid-century, there could be nearly 1 billion humanoid robots at work worldwide. They'll be everywhere. Factories, warehouses, hospitals, even homes. But the revolution starts in manufacturing. 2026 marks the shift from pilot programs to full-scale deployment. As production scales, costs drop, making robots affordable and essential. This fuels explosive market growth and global economic impact. A $5 trillion market means new jobs, innovation, and economic resilience. The wealth generated will drive further research and a cycle of innovation. We're at the start of this adoption curve. Those who move early will lead the next industrial era. Hyundai is all in on humanoid robotics. With Boston Dynamics and Atlas, Hyundai is moving from research to real-world deployment. In 2026, Atlas robots begin pilot programs in Hyundai factories, tackling tough, physical tasks. By 2028, full-scale deployment starts at the Meta plant in Georgia, integrating robots into electric vehicle production. The goal: prove humanoid robots boost productivity and safety at scale. By 2030, Atlas will handle even more complex, delicate jobs. Hyundai is building a robotics foundry to mass-produce core components, aiming for 30,000 robots a year. The vision: automate dull, dirty, and dangerous jobs, making factories safer and more ergonomic. Hyundai isn't just building robots, it's building the factory of the future. Hyundai isn't alone in this race. Global competition is fierce. In the US, Tesla's Optimus aims to be a general-purpose humanoid, powered by advanced AI. Figure AI, partnering with BMW, is rapidly deploying robots in American factories. They're focused robots that can quickly learn logistics and manufacturing tasks. In China, XPeng's iron robots are tightly integrated with car manufacturing, creating smarter data-driven factories. This global race accelerates innovation, drives down costs, and expands options for businesses. Each company brings a unique approach: strength, agility, learning speed, or universal adaptability. The result: a rich ecosystem of ideas and rapid progress. This isn't just corporate rivalry, it's a powerful engine of technological advancement. The factory of the future is arriving faster than anyone expected. The world is watching and competing to lead. The real revolution is in the AI brains of these robots. Advanced sensors, cameras, LiDAR, and force sensors give them sight and touch. Powerful onboard computers process this data, enabling real-time understanding of complex environments. Robots like Atlas can identify objects, people, and obstacles, building dynamic 3D maps on the fly. Unlike old robots, these can operate safely in open spaces, adapting to unpredictable situations. Adaptive AI lets them make decisions in real time, grasping, adjusting, and retrying as needed. They learn from simulation and real-world experience, sharing new skills across the entire fleet. This creates collective intelligence, robots constantly improving together. They're not just tools, but dynamic, learning systems optimizing their own performance. This is the most powerful manufacturing technology ever created. The main driver for humanoid robots: economics. Factories using them see productivity gains of 20 to 30% or more. Robots work 24/7, maintaining consistent pace and quality. As production scales, robot costs are dropping fast. Soon, they'll be cheaper than human labor in many roles. The savings go beyond labor. Robots optimize energy use and reduce material waste. Their precision means fewer defects and higher quality products. This makes manufacturing more sustainable and environmentally friendly. Consumers benefit from lower, more stable prices even during inflation. Productivity gains fuel growth, innovation, and value for everyone. The economic case is so strong, the rise of humanoid robots is unstoppable. We're entering a new industrial revolution, defined by human-robot collaboration. Factories become digital nervous systems, with robots sharing data and learning together. Insights from one robot are instantly shared across the network, driving exponential improvement. Safety is enhanced. Robots handle dangerous tasks, making workplaces healthier for people. This isn't about replacing humans, but augmenting them. Robots take on dull, dirty, and dangerous jobs, freeing people for creative, high-value work. The promise: people empowered by powerful tools, not replaced by them. New job categories will emerge, just as they did with the internet. By embracing this partnership, we unlock new human potential and build stronger economies. The future is collaborative. Robots are here to help us build it.